Hart Island is New York City's Potter's Field, where those with no family or means to arrange a funeral are laid to rest. They used to bury 25 people a week here. In the age of the coronavirus, it's about that number every day. Counting the dead is now part of the daily routine for the governor.
9/11 was supposed to be the darkest day in New York for a generation. We lose 2,753 lives on 9/11. We've lost over 7,000 lives to this crisis. That is so shocking and painful and breathtaking. I don't even have the words for it.
As the daily death toll continues to reach new heights and the state builds more temporary hospitals like this 350-bed facility, there are signs that the spread of the disease is slowing, thanks to mandatory social distancing measures that have all but shut down the city of nearly 9 million. Those measures will remain in effect for the foreseeable future, as the number of new hospital admissions has gone down for the past 3 days.
If we're not careful, if we're not strong, if we're not disciplined, in fact, this is a disease that can resurge. You should be very worried about resurgence. We all are. The last thing we can afford is to let down our guard and let this disease back in the door even more, and then see the numbers spike up.
Pressure to lift restrictions and let people return to work has been growing along with the unemployment rate.
The number of New Yorkers who have filed for unemployment claims in the last 3 weeks has more than doubled. But there's one industry where they can't get enough help: funeral homes.
The governor says New York State will be bringing in additional funeral directors to help people like Jesus Pujols, who's been working long hours 7 days a week and still can't keep up.
Right now, money is not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I would give up my job any day for like a normie job. I'd much rather be quarantined in my house right now.
And the bodies are expected to continue to stack up, a grim reminder of a silent killer. Kirsten, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.